Sushant Singh Rajput was born on 21st January 1986, was an Indian actor who is best known for his work in Hindi cinema. He starred in a number of commercially successful Bollywood films such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Kedarnath and Chichore. Due to his contribution to the film industry, he received a Screen Award and was nominated for the Filmfare Awards on 2 occasions. Rajput started his career after dropping out of his engineering course at the Delhi College of Engineering and entering the theatre industry in Mumbai. He moved on to feature in Hindi television serials. His debut show was the romantic drama Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil, followed by the lead role in the soap opera Pavitra Rishta. He made his Bollywood debut in the film adaptation Kai Piyo Che, which became a commercial and critical success, followed by his starring role in the romantic comedy Shuddh Desi Romance and the role of the titular detective in the action thriller Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. He also starred in a number of other films such as the reincarnation drama Rabta, the historical drama Sonchiriya, and the action thriller Drive. His highest grossing releases came with a supporting role in the satire PK and from the titular role in the sports biopic of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. For his performance in the latter, he received his first nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Actor and became the winning nomination at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne. Apart from acting, he was the founder of a non-profit organization and has been credited as the co-founder of a technological startup. Sushant Singh Rajput was born in Patna in the state of Bihar to Krishna Kumar Singh and Usha Singh. His father is a retired technical officer and worked at Bihar State Handloom Corporation in Patna. He was the youngest of 5 siblings and had the nickname of Gulshan. One of his 4 sisters, Neetu Singh, would become a state-level cricket player. He attended the St. Karen's High School in Patna. His family moved to Delhi following his mother's death in 2002, where Rajput completed his schooling for intermediate studies in Kulachi Hansraj Model School. Rajput was reportedly an avid reader who was deeply interested in astrophysics and won the National Olympiad in Physics. He secured an admission in the Delhi College of Engineering, later renamed to Delhi Technological University, to pursue a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Mechanical Engineering. According to Rajput, he did not have any interest in engineering, but his family gave him no option, which left him dissatisfied. He instead wanted to become an astronaut and later an Air Force pilot, but was also interested in Bollywood, being a fan of Shah Rukh Khan. During his course at the Delhi College of Engineering, Rajput enrolled himself in Samak Dawar's dance classes. Soon afterwards, he also began attending acting classes under the theatre director Barry John. Rajput later stated that he found the experience to be liberating and wanted to continue doing it forever. He featured as a background dancer in the Dhoom Again song of Dhoom 2. In 2006, he dropped out of his engineering course during his 4th year to begin a career in arts and performance. He moved to Mumbai, took up odd jobs and small roles while working in the theatre industry. In Mumbai, Rajput joined Nadira Babbar's theatre group called The Ekjoot, in which he remained for 2.5 years. Rajput was spotted by a casting team of Balaji Telefilms while he was working at the Prithvi Theatre. He was subsequently called for an audition and cast as a second lead in the television series Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil in 2008. The performance had made an impression on the producer Ekta Kapoor, who vouched for him to be cast as the lead in another series Pavitra Rishta, reportedly against the wishes of the hosting channel, Zee TV. In Pavitra Rishta, Rajput was cast as Manav Deshmukh, who was an ideal son and husband, and co-starred along with Ankita Lokhande. The role was reportedly a breakthrough for him, and for which he won various television awards, including his first award for Best Actor in the Indian Television Academy Awards 2010. He also won 3 major television awards in the categories of Best Male Actor and Most Popular Actor. Rajput continued to act in Pavitra Rishta from its first airing on 2009 till his exit in 2011. He had stated that he intended to move to the United States to study filmmaking and had already gained experience behind the scenes in the film Ras 2, where he was an assistant director. Rajput made a later reappearance in the final episode of Pavitra Rishta in 2014 after gaining critical acclaim in Bollywood. He was subsequently cast in the role of Ishan Bhatt, a district-level cricketer who was a victim of politics in the selection fraternity, and one of the 3 leads, along with Rajkumar Rao and Amit Saad. The film was directed by Abhishek Kapoor and based on the Chetan Bhagat novel called The 3 Mistakes of My Life, which dealt with the life of 3 friends affected by the 2001 Gujarat earthquake, and the 2002 Gujarat riots. Was released in 2013 and became a commercial and critical success. Rajput received a nomination for the Filmfare Awards in the category of Best Debut Actor for his performance in the film. Before the release of his debut film Kai Pio Che, Rajput was signed in by Rajkumar Hirani for a role in the Aamir Khan starring satirical drama called PK. In the film, he was cast as the boyfriend to Anushka Sharma's character of a journalist. He also entered into a deal with Yash Raj Films, beginning with the starring role in the film Shuddh Desi Romance. The film was a romantic comedy where Rajput played the character of Raghu Ram Sitaram, a tour guide who fell in love with a woman on the way to his own marriage. It featured Pariniti Chopra and Vani Kapoor. Shuddh Desi Romance was released in 2013 and became a sleeper hit. Following the release of his first 2 films, Rajput was described by the veteran director Shekhar Kapoor as one of the most inspiring young actors to emerge out of India, and was occasionally referred to as the next SRK. In 2011, a biopic on the life of the Indian cricket team captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni was conceived by Dhoni's manager, Arun Pandey. The project was initially faced with various difficulties, including objections from the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, and Dhoni's demand for a large royalty. On 25 September 2014, Sushant Singh Rajput was announced as the actor who would play the role of Dhoni in the biopic, which was titled MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, and directed by Neeraj Pandey. The film was produced by Arun Pandey with Fox Star Studios and released on 2 October 2016. It became the 5th highest-grossing Bollywood film of that year. The second biopic that Rajput was to feature in was tentatively titled as Murli, the Unsung Hero, where he would play the role of the disabled Jawan turned Paralympics gold medalist Murlikant Pedkar. He was also signed in by Nitesh Tiwari, the director of the blockbuster film Dangal, for his new film titled Chichore, whose shooting began in September. It was a romantic comedy where Rajput played the character of Anirudh Pathak, a divorced husband who recounts his college life to his teenage son, and opposite Maya, his ex-wife played by Shraddha Kapoor. Produced by Fox Star Studios and Nadiadwala Grandson Entertainment, the film was released on 6 September 2019 and became the 3rd movie featuring Rajput to gross over 100 crore, $14 million, after PK and the Dhoni biopic. In an interview in January 2019, before the release of Sonjariya, Rajput had stated that he was in the talks for 12 other films, of which Chanda Mama Dur Ke and the biopic of Mullikant Pedkar were yet to be finalized. Fox Star Studios had employed Chhabra for a Hindi-language remake of The Fault in Our Stars, a Hollywood hit film produced by 20th Century Fox. Chhabra had also been the casting director, who had first spotted him for Kai Pio Che, which was Rajput's debut film. The slated release of the film, however, did not occur due to restrictions imposed during the COVID-19 pandemic. In the end, it was posthumously released on the streaming platform Disney Plus Hotstar and became a record breaker in its first 24 hours viewership, having gathered approximately 95 million viewers. Reportedly, Rajput was in talks a day before his death with a director about a film based on the 2008 Mumbai attacks. Rajput publicly proposed to his Pavitra Rishta cast Ankita Lokhande during a national broadcast of. It was reported that he was dating actress Rhea Chakraborty and that they intended to keep the matter private. After Rajput's death, Chakraborty confirmed that she was his girlfriend and that he would refuse medication, relying instead on yoga and meditation. According to Rajput's father, the actor mentioned his plans to marry in 2021 but did not reveal his intended bride. On 14 June 2020, Rajput, aged 34, was found dead, hanging from the ceiling fan in his home in Bandra, Mumbai. He had reportedly shown signs of clinical depression and was suffering from bipolar disorder. The Mumbai police commenced an investigation, stating that the death was being treated as a suicide. The post-mortem report stated that the cause of death was asphyxia due to hanging and called it a clear case of suicide. The autopsy doctors placed time of death at 10 to 12 hours before post-mortem examination on 14th June at 11:30 p.m., meaning between 11:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. No foul play was found. On 25th July, Rajput's family lodged a first information report with police in Patna, where his father lives, accusing Rhea Chakraborty and 5 others of abetment of suicide. On 31st July, Enforcement Directorate, ED, filed a case to investigate money laundering of Rajput's money from his bank accounts by Chakraborty, her parents, and associates. On 19 August 2020, the Supreme Court of India allowed the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, the Indian national government's top investigating agency, to take control of the investigation and ordered the CBI to look into any future cases registered in relation to Rajput's death. Later, the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, also filed a case to investigate drug peddling based on phone chats forwarded to it by ED during its investigation. On 8 September, Rhea Chakraborty was arrested by the NCB in a drug case linked to the investigation of the death probe. Prior to the arrest, 9 others were arrested by the NCB in the drug case, including Rhea's brother, Shovik Chakraborty. On 3 October, Dr. Sudhir Gupta of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, leader of a forensic medical team tasked by CBI for assistance, said, "Sushant's death is a case of suicide. Murder completely ruled out. Personally, I am a huge fan of Sushant Singh Rajput. Tell me your thoughts in the comments regarding Sushant Singh Rajput." So that is for today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.